This is day 164, and today we are looking at group direction. So we are looking at how to group data and apply a specific direction to your grouping. So what I mean is, yesterday, if we look at yesterday's video where we did grouping, you can see if I click 1, for example, here, I can see the average, and take note that this plus here, which shows that I'm hiding something, is right against my or next to my average column here. But if I do the same with my current workbook where I have totals on top here, and I go and select outline group here, you see that if I click 1 here, my plus sign is not next to my average here, it's at the bottom, which is in the wrong column. I want my plus to be next to the average here, so that it makes sense. We can see what exactly is hidden by this plus sign here, so that when I click to expand, I expand the right column. So how can I do that? So to specify the direction of your grouping, you have to go to your outline and you click this arrow here to just extend it. Then you say this is for rows. We want rows, we untick because we don't want it to be below details, because my top picks or my totals are above the detail. So I untick here. You can do the same with columns as well, because you can see with my columns also, I have my totals before here on the left. So I can untick it as well. Then I say, okay. You can see the moment I untick and say, okay, my negative sign comes next to the average row here. So that when I click 1, it goes right next to my average row. So this is how you can change your grouping direction. That's it, guys. If you have enjoyed my video, please don't forget to like it and also to hit the subscribe button so that you can be notified when I upload new videos in future. Thank you. Bye-bye.